So here's the magic of Fibonacci levels. Continue playing out the entire morning marvelously on oil. Our beautiful trade reached reversal zone and completely reversed. Completely. So buckle up for long on oil. But this is exact same formula as you're witnessing very clearly. Reversal zone, know your levels. This is where phenomenal selling pressure played out from. Weekly. And this is where phenomenal selling pressure played out from on hourly, where we had taken the advantage of this level. Formula remains the same. Doesn't matter what instrument, doesn't matter what time frame. Respect the rules and obey the levels. Simple. The volatility in these markets this morning is not to be taken for granted. Reminding you, essential to respect reversal zone, essential to protect your profits. And that's exactly what happened on our trade on oil. So when each and every time I look at these levels, I simply get massive jibbies years and years later. Pound 15-minute respected the end of the minor trend, respecting the end of the minor trend currently, respecting reversal zone spelled out by the price since July 7th European session. Doing exact same thing on pound 15-minute that you witnessed on S&P weekly. That's the reason why we are seeing selling pressure. That's the reason why S&P struggled at the end of the minor trend for how many weeks? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All the levels spelled out since 2013. Price does not care about any news. It knows all the levels far in advance. All you have to do is respect them. All you have to do is identify what works for you, what instrument and what time frame. And that's the magic of Fibonacci. And that's the power of the levels, playing out each and every time. And if you know the rules, you obey these levels far in advance. Fascinating. Never in my life did I look on lean hogs. No reversal zone, nowhere to take profits off the table. Formula remains identical. Powerful bullish trend on 5-minute reached the end of the major trend and staged powerful reversal. Buyers are still in charge. In order for the sellers to continue further down, it has to blast through this level. This is only bearish correction. This remains critical. Very important level currently on lean hogs. If this level is broken, lean hogs will continue further down. This is where bearish trend will test the end of the minor trend. Everything spelled out by overnight structure. So if you took long from 131.8, this area, you respect decision point 1 and you monitor for reversal at reversal zone. Simple. And if you're acquiring short position, you're monitoring very carefully for every single level. And if sellers are powerful enough to blast through this level, which they are not, because buyers are still in charge, respect this level to the downside highly. The end of the minor trend remains critical. So this is what played out when silver 5-minute came to the end of the minor trend spelled out by the markets in overnight structure. The end of the minor trend was respected by silver for 1.5 hours. Reminding you, this is the most critical level in the market structure. That's why it is essential to respect this level and never acquire position into this level. because we always have minor trend, we not always have major. And this is what plays out on silver at reversal zone. Buying opportunity already played out on silver from 2980 area. So we're going to recap and see what silver does. If it's powerful enough to blast through reversal zone 1, buyers will pick up this steam with vengeance. That's how price moves between these levels. The end of the minor trend on silver 5-minute will be decision point 1. And that is key. And so if you shorted silver, by the time you come to reversal zone, make sure you trail carefully and make sure you never get tempted to short at these levels. It's exact same formula. Doesn't matter if it's oil weekly. It doesn't matter if it's euro weekly. It doesn't matter if it's lean hogs 5-minute. Let's go to silver 1 hour. What we're witnessing on silver hourly is the structure we witness only 20% of the time. Because trend ends at decision point 2 only 20% of the time. But again, this level is respected. It really is that simple. That's where the collapse came from. Giving you loving shorting opportunity outside of decision point 1. And this is precisely the reason why it's way too late to short silver, because it is reversal zone 1. Silver is taking a major pause, reminding you, respect reversal zone, know the levels. This is ultimate destination. This is what played out on silver yesterday. First time price came to this level. And where did this bullish rally that picked up this steam later in the day had ended? And that's a magic puzzle. Sellers stepped in and only finally blasted through the end of the minor trend in overnight markets, collapsing from decision point 2. And here we are, price is dancing at reversal zone, 2nd hour in a row. Euro yen 15-minute respecting reversal zone, giving very powerful corrections. And if price finally will succeed and blast outside of this level, it will continue up to 138.39. Beautiful buying opportunity on euro already played out from 138.15-16 area. That's euro 15-minute. And that's just confirmation that the same formula applies. And you know all of these levels euro spelled out since yesterday structure. And I love this beautiful image of gold. This is classic. This is very powerful. And this is exactly what played out as expected and is posted on Fibonacci level since yesterday market open. And if you know where reversal zone is, you never ever get tempted to acquire trend position at these levels. And when you do acquire trend position, you respect the most important level in the market structure. And it is that simple. All you have to do is play by the rules.